The National Bureau of Investigation refutes that it is subjecting Vice President Sara Duterte to harassment after the agency filed criminal cases against her. In a press conference on Thursday, February 13, NBI Director Jaime Santiago maintains that no one is above the law after former presidential spokesperson and Duterte ally Salvador Panelo tagged the complaints as mere forms of harassment.
Hindi po namin hinaharas si Vice President. Nire-respeto nga po namin siya. Kaya pinigyan namin siya ng dalawang pagkakataon para umapir dito. Ma'am, remember, no one is above the law. Kung sino nagpapaviolate ng law, kahit sino ka pa man, ay papanagutin ka namin. At ito pong kaso na ipinataw, isinampa namin labang kay Vice President. That was filed not because she is a Vice President. That was filed because she committed a crime.
Santiago says the NBI remains neutral, impartial, and apolitical, adding that the agency is only doing its job. The NBI chief also disputes Panelo's argument against the case of grave threat that there can be no crime of a threat from the grave.
Alam naman natin lahat na you cannot charge a dead person. Wala nang criminal liability ang dead person. Pero ang threat niya, sinabi niya, ngayon, nabubuhay siya. Parang makapagsalita ang patay na. Ngayon niya sinabi, so ngayon siya criminally liable.
He also defends the inciting to sedition case the NBI filed, citing Duterte's press conference where she supposedly encouraged her followers to commit disturbance and seditious acts.
Kung merong tumutos disturbance, sedisyon na. Inciting pa nga lang eh. Nag-i-incite pa lang. Nag-i-hikayat pa lang. No? Naku, mga first year student ng law, alam na alam po yan.
Meanwhile, Department of Justice spokesperson Miko Clavano says they hope Duterte will see the criminal complaints filed against her as a chance to clear her name. Clavano clarifies that the complaints filed by the NBI are still pending before the National Prosecution Service to analyze and determine whether there is a reasonable certainty of conviction. This means the complaints may either be returned to the NBI for further case buildup or proceed to a preliminary investigation which will eventually result in the filing of cases in court. The NBI on February 12 filed before the Department of Justice complaints of inciting to sedition and grave threat against the Vice President. During an online press conference in November 2024, Duterte said she instructed someone to kill President Bongbong Marcos, First Lady Liza Arneta Marcos, and House Speaker Martin Romualdez if she would be assassinated.